It's like never ending. There's the train coming through down about 3 miles. Look at the trees. I really pray we don't have no power outages. That would be bad. The trees are just frozen. And it was also thundering in this mess. That was just creepy. Try not to drop the phone. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Look at that. And it's just all gonna freeze. All of it. Look at that. It's just crazy. Trying to keep the heat up in here just in case. Well, that's just freezing rain right there. So, Lord have mercy. And David had to go to work. And I also found that we had a little mouse who likes enchilada packs and biscuit and gravy packs. But there was no mouse in there, thank the Lord. I don't know how it got in the cabinet, but it did. Man, it is cold too. Everything is just freezing. Yeah, I'm cooking some chicken in the oven. Gonna make some chicken Alfredo with mushrooms for dinner. But yeah, you can see it's just coming down on Lake Vester Turner back here. It's just crazy. Really hate ice here in North Carolina. It's one thing I do not like. I would have rather had snow instead of this mess. Somewhere, somehow, trees are going to be falling because this ice buildup. Anyway, God bless.